Good morning, boys. Let us continue with the lesson. Books are our best friends. Okay. Anand's company usually dealt in advertisements for food and clothing brands and other popular items for daily use. So this person Anand used to work for a company who was dealing with the advertisements and particularly of food and clothing and other popular items of daily use. But one day it got a project on medicines for cows and buffaloes. It was a very promising project, but Anand's colleagues had very little understanding of the subject. Usually in advertisements you might have seen in TV and movies, wherever you see advertisements will be very short and they will convey what their product is, what are the benefits of using it, and why you should buy only their product, and any discounts being given or any offers. All these things are shown in that very short time of advertisement, right? So that will increase their sales, and that will tell all the good features about their product. Suppose if competitors are there, then they will say why you have to choose their product, not their competitors' product. That is what they usually do in the advertisement. So one day, this person's office people have got a new project, and that was of medicines of animals for cows and buffaloes. It was a very promising project. Means it was a very huge project which everyone was maybe looking forward for. But Anand's colleagues means the persons who work in the office, they have no idea or very little understanding of the subject. Because for making an advertisement, first of all you should know, right, what it is. So this person's colleagues had a very little knowledge about the topic of medicines, and that too medicines for animals. They did not know how to make an advertisement for these medicines because they had no understanding of the diseases that cows and buffalo suffered from. Yes, they were not aware, like they were not knowing, they were not able to get an idea how to make that advertisement for cows and buffaloes, because they were not knowing anything about neither the animals nor the diseases they get, or how they should protect them, or what are the things that should be used for them. These people have no idea. Anand's boss was worried. The medicine company did not have much time. It wanted the advertisement to be made very soon. But if someone was asked to research about cows and buffaloes, it would have taken at least a few days. So, as usual, the boss asked Anand what could be done. Because in the office, Anand's boss, the higher authority who was above Anand, was worried about, because the company which gave them these people the advertisement did not give them much time to research and to find out and to know the pros and cons, everything to find out the facts. That company has not given much time, that medical company, to these people, and it was very short time and they have to finish off. But if they start research, maybe they can gather facts, and then upon that they can build their advertisement. But these people were very short of time. So as usual, the person, Anand's manager, approached him and asked him what could be done. A few days earlier, Anand had read a book on animals' health and diseases, and he had a fair idea of the subject. So he told his boss, "Don't worry, leave it to me. I will research myself and the work will be done very soon." See, this is what happened. When Anand's office people could not do anything, his manager has approached Anand and he asked him, "Anand, now what should we do? How to do this? How to tackle this issue?" Then Anand told, "You don't worry, I will do my research and we will do it, and that too very soon." He told that very confidently. How he could tell that? Why? Because recently he had just read a book. You know, he is having the habit of reading books, right? So what he did recently, before this project, nothing to do with this project. In general, he read a book about the diseases that the animals may get and how to get a cure of it, or in general the animals health and the issues they face and all that. Recently he had read that book. So he was confident enough and he told his boss, do not worry, we will make this advertisement and I will do research myself and I will not need much time also. That's what he conveyed. Since Anant had already read about the subject, it took him very little time to finish the project satisfactorily. The advertisement that he and his team prepared was liked and appreciated by the medicine company. Because he already have an idea about that topic. What he needs was just to find out few more facts here and there, or to know a little bit more. Means if we start now, then start researching, then you don't know which book to approach or which book you should follow, and then finding out the book and then starting reading and all will take away much time. But why this person needed only very little time was because he has already read some book about it and already had gathered some information. So he needed just to find out a few more things so that they could make or they could finish the project. And finally they had finished the project satisfactorily also. Then because of him, this company could make and finish off that advertisement, and everyone appreciated, and the medicine company also appreciated them a lot. Once again, Anand's reading habits saved the day for his company and he won the respect of all his colleagues. What happened? Because of this person's reading habits, all this helped and it has saved much time, and upon that he could gain a very good name for his company and for himself. Okay, now let us go through the slice of life. Books are always the best company one can get, right? Do you agree that wherever you go, you don't need anyone else? If you have a book along with you, if you take a book along with you, then you need not wait for someone else, or you need not wait for how to pass the time or what to do. All these questions do not arise. Once you have a good book in your hand, that's it. You already have a very good company. Reading a book and improving our knowledge is the best way to spend the free time. This is what means. Once you have the habit of reading books, means it will automatically improve your knowledge and it will help you in the best way to spend your free time, not wasting your time. Why? Because you are reading a book, you are enjoying it, at the same time you are gaining some knowledge also, right? So in all ways, reading a book is always useful. No knowledge ever goes waste. The importance of certain things you read is understood much later. Yes, this point is very important. No knowledge ever goes waste. Means whatever you read, whether that is relevant to you right now or not. But once you read, you gain that knowledge, you have that information, you keep that in your brain. Maybe we never know when it is useful for us or when you may need it. Okay, so always having an idea in general about many things will always help you. A person who reads has easy solutions to every difficult problem. Means, suppose a person is having the habit of reading, he will be always having some or the other solution. Means he will have a way out. He can always find out a way out from any difficult situation or problem. The person who reads and solves problems is always loved and respected by everyone. Suppose if anyone is having any issue or any problem they are facing and they are not able to come out of that, if anyone else who has a better idea or a better solution for that, obviously that person will be respected, right? So this is always a good habit to read books. Okay. And one more thing, children. Now your moral science test has been announced, right? So for that, this is how you have to prepare. You will be reading this quote. For each and every lesson, you will be having this quote. You will be reading this learning objectives, of course, the lesson, and this slice of life. Okay, this slice of life and all these things, and the questions can be asked from any of them. Okay, I hope most of you have got the moral science textbooks, right? So all the best and prepare yourself for the moral science test. Thank you.